Hi, today I would like to talk to you about what is learning. Learning is one of the very important aspects of education system, the entire education system. Actually, no teaching can happen if learning has not happened. So teaching is not important. Learning is important. And this learning has to happen by the learner himself or herself. You cannot make learning happen for another. Teacher can only facilitate learning. Teacher can create ambience for learning. Teacher can give information for learning. Given information can be taken up by the student, but it can remain in the form of information forever. Unless a portion of it is experienced by the learner, learning will not happen. Learning happens here, inside, within you. And this learning can bring about a dramatic change in the entire personality of a learner. The learner changes totally from inside after a small bit of learning has happened, whether it may be in any field. It could be general, it could be specific, subject related, or just anything. And the process of learning actually starts immediately after birth. The formal education may facilitates this learning in a particular direction. The institute, the teachers are actually responsible for creating an ambience and the environment for learning. Nothing beyond. We have to understand our restrictions, limitations, and create an absolutely wonderful ambience and environment. May it be intellectual, may it be physical, may it be social, or any other ambience environment where student will automatically learn. Learning will happen. Best said is you can take the horse to the water. You cannot make him drink water. You cannot drink water on his behalf either. So, learning is a process which should happen within the learner by himself, by experiencing something which is within, inside. That's why in architecture education course, postgraduate of MArch in architecture education, lots of importance we give to experiential learning. Architecture can be learned bit by bit, small experiences compiled together to the fullest knowledge of architecture. Thank you.